Hi everyone, again it's me, your math teacher Jello. For today's video, let's have a math review on how to multiply fractions. So, paano ba tayo nagmumultiply ng fraction by another fraction? Okay, so say for example, we have, let's say, A over B times C over D. Okay, so guys, baka malito kayo. Etong A over B times C over D, ito ay representations ng mga fractions. Okay? So, gumamit lang tayo ng variables. So, to multiply fraction by another fraction, we simply multiply numerator to a numerator and denominator to a denominator. Mali kapag ka nag-cross multiplication product kayo. Mali yun. Okay? Only multiply yung numerator sa numerator tsaka denominator sa denominator. So, if you have A over B times C over D, this becomes A times C is AC. So, of course, kapag numbers yan, ipag-multiply natin. Okay, B times D is BD. Okay, so, we have two examples here. Let's answer. 3 over 5 times 4 over 7. Applying the rule, ito yon guys. Multiply natin si 3 times 4. The answer is 12, right? All over 5 times 7 is equal to 35. Since ito guys ay hindi na siya pwedeng ma-reduce, so ito na yung final answer natin. 12 over 35, no? Okay, next example. We have 4 over 15 times 3 over 8. So same procedure lang na ginawa natin. Multiply natin yung both numerator and then both denominators. 4 times 3 equals 12 over 15 times 8 equals 120, right? So, 120. So, dito guys, kapag pwede pa tayo mag-simplify, let's simplify or reduce natin. Okay, yung 12 tsaka 120 ay divisible by 12, right? So, pwede, no? So, divide natin all terms by 12. So, 12 divided by 12, the answer is 1, right? Over 120 divided by 12, so the answer is 10, right? Okay, so that's the answer. So, 1 over 10. Naka-reduce form na siya. Actually, guys, yung number 2 example natin, pwede to using cancellation method. Pwede rin yon. Okay, let's prove. So, same problem tayo. 4 over 15 and then times 3 over 8. So, using cancellation method, guys, pwede yan. So, ilang 4 ang meron dito sa 8? Diba? We have 2. So, yung 8 natin magiging 2 na lang to, guys. And then, yung 4, this becomes 1. Tama? And then, ilang 3 meron sa 15? Of course, magiging, yung 15 magiging, ano na lang to, 5. At yung 3 magiging 1, right? So, 1 times 1 equals 1. 5 times 2 equals 10. So, see guys, magka-pares lang ang sagot natin. Okay? Try to answer, let's say, 5 over 16 times 2 over 9. Comment your answer. Kung meron kayong natutunan sa video ito, paki-like and share. Thank you for watching.